What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, yes, we are doing another unboxing. We just got our second box from Threadbeast. This is just going to be an update video to see if that first one was just kind of like a, they're just trying to pad it up, make it seem like this is all they got. This is going to be the second one. It's going to be a real review, going to be my honest opinion. This does not have the extra $50 worth of items that you can get with the link in the description. If you use the link, you can get $50 worth of items within your first box on Threadbeast. But yeah, guys, let's stop wasting time. Without further ado, let's just crack into this Threadbeast box. All right, so a lot of you guys liked some of the stuff in there, especially that hat that I didn't like the the first time, the pink dolphin hat, which I have sold, by the way. That's what I sold it for. Here, let me show you guys again. Let me guys get a first peek. Boom. What's it looking like? Huh? It feels like paper. Is there paper there? There's probably paper there. How about now? What's it look like? Oh, I felt a package. Did I get some like sealed money or something? All right, so we're just gonna hop into each one by one. I've seen these in other boxes. I mean, I'm all for like briefs and like free like boxes and stuff. It's just one of those things that, as a guy at least, I don't buy them as much. I should probably more. I've always wanted to get MeUndies, but if I can get some free ones like this. These are from PSD. It doesn't say what PSD stands for, but hey, I got some of these. This will be our first item. Nothing too crazy, but hey, free boxers, free briefs, I'll take them, man. So the next one, I see another hat. Oh, Grizzly. Isn't this like a skateboard brand, like the Grizzly tape? Again, a hat I'm sure you guys are gonna love. I just can't rock this, man. I just can't. Maybe I look better in it than I think, because a lot of people said I look better in the hat than I thought I did. I'm just not used to it, right? Let's throw this one on, see what's going on here. Okay, see, now this one I do not feel right in at all. Like the pink dolphin one felt a lot better. Maybe I don't have this on right. Hold on. I mean, it fits. It feels like I bet the other one was kind of tight, but I feel like there's space in here. Like, wait, this one doesn't feel like, it doesn't even feel good on me. Like if the other one, at least like I could like bend it a little bit and it felt comfortable in my head. Like this one just doesn't feel comfortable. But that's nothing on the hat. It's just not for me. Overall though, I do like the hat. I really love it. It's like Grizzly. It's got a nice, just simple logo on the front. I like the color maroon. It's got the little grizzly bear on the back, if you guys can see that. I like it. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. Again, it's something I wouldn't wear, but hey, I'm not upset whatsoever. Again, most of this stuff, this is a reselling channel, so I can definitely probably resell this. I don't know how much it goes for. Actually, I'll leave it right here. That's how much these are going for right now. So yeah, maybe I could sell this, maybe. So the next thing we have is a tee by We Are the Superlative Conspiracy, WESC, Wesk. It's got some paper in it, but I like this really color block style. Something I don't have already. Is this like a skating thing? Like, am I supposed to wear Vans with this? Or am I like, do I wear some like high B shoes with this? Because it's got the blue and black like colorway. I don't know if I like this shirt. I don't know, because I just don't have stuff like this. I don't have color block. I told you, I'm basic. I got basic white tees, and black tees. I don't know. What do you guys think? Drop down in the comments what you guys think of this shirt. I'm gonna wear it. Like I told you, I wear free stuff all the time. Anyway, it's not too bad. I like it. Cool. So that's gonna be what, 3 items so far. There's something else in here. I don't know if it's the last item. I think typically in the essential package you only get 4 items, so this might be the last one. But we'll see. I haven't seen it because there's paper covering it. So let's get into the next one. Here, I'll wear the Grizzly hat. For you guys, I'm gonna wear the Grizzly hat backwards. It might look super whack, but I'm gonna wear it for the remainder of the video, just like this though. So If it looks whack, I'm sorry. So there is the last item. What is this? Oh wait, it's two. I'm tripping. I was tripping. Yo, these are like, so this next item are some trunks, multifunctional short. Yo, I've been wanting shorts. Hell yeah, this is awesome. Quick dry technology. There says beach / street styling. So these are kind of like some sort of board shorts. Are these are these like water things? It says, look at it. It says 4-way stretch. So like they stretch this way and like this way. Like, so they're probably super comfortable. Definitely my size. Just some blue like trunk. It says trunks. So I'm not sure if they're like beach things or, you know, just regular shorts. I gotta try these on later. But hey, some shorts. I've been dying to get some shorts. It's got a little tree on the back. Can you see that? A little tree right there on the right cheek. You see that? If I'm rating the box so far, let's go with a 6 out of 10, but let me tell you why. Hey, let's go to the last thing. Maybe that'll change my mind, but right now it's like a 6 out of 10, but I'll tell you why in a second. Ooh, we got some more shorts. We got some oh, is that two? Oh no, these are thick, boy. These are thick with 18 C's, bro. These are like, dang, I could like work in a freaking oil change place with these things, man. These are like some Dickies. There's some Chinos by Travis, some Chino short by oh no, by DL Essentials. And these are thick. There's no way else to describe these. There's some, you know, just some nice shorts, some Chinos. I actually like these a lot, I'll be honest. Like, I do like Chinos. Yo, these are pretty cool. These are not bad. There's some essential Chinos, just some basic Chinos. I told you, I'm a short wearer, especially in Florida. Like, we gotta have shorts like daily, like monthly, yearly. Throughout November, we wear shorts. Like in December, I'm wearing shorts. 24/7 comfort, the perfect combination of fabric and fit. There's not much to these, but I do like these. These definitely came up on the ranking for me a little bit. Dude, these are, I'm telling you, bro, these are thick, bro. Like, damn, like Nicki Minaj, like Anaconda thick. Like, these are freaking, you know, I'm telling you, you drop some grease on these, a bear could try to claw through these. They ain't getting through there. Super soft, breathable, antibacterial, and water efficient. That seems way too much. So that is it for this box. I actually, okay, so I forgot to tell you guys is I changed my style from casual, I think, to like something else, to like street, like not street, but it was more like muted in tone, right? So I changed it up a little bit. So they definitely delivered on that aspect. You know, I got the Chinos and the color block, just some basic stuff. I went to more basic for this box because I wanted to see. So on the delivery part of like the box of what they were trying to do, what you asked for, like what I asked for, they definitely delivered. So I definitely give it an 8 or 9 out of 10 on that aspect. Problem is, I'm only gonna wear like 3 of the 5 things that were in there, you know? For instance, like this Grizzly hat, I'm probably not gonna wear. Let's just look, like, here, let's just take, it's a thumbnail for the video now. No, but like, I can't just wear this. Like, I have a small head and glasses. Like this shit doesn't work for me, you know? Yeah, I mean, like, these are cool. Like, I'm definitely gonna wear these. Like, they're moisture wicking, odor killing. Like, I'm definitely gonna wear these. So overall from Threadbeast, I'm gonna give the second box a 7 out of 10. Just stemming from the fact that I don't really wear some of the stuff that I got in this one. Like the color block, I don't really know if I'm gonna wear, if I'm gonna look good in that. Especially like I'm a little darker, so I don't know how the color block's gonna look on that, to be honest. But yeah, overall, I might just wait till I get another box, because I think the third box, you know, third time's the charm. Maybe I get some bangers in the third one. So if you guys want to see another Threadbeast video, please drop a like. Please say that you enjoyed the video if you did. All right, this is what we're gonna do. Since a lot of people liked the hat in the last video that I didn't like the pink dolphin one, if you like this hat and you want this hat, I need you to comment, I want this hat, No, actually, we're gonna make it a keyword. Put the word me, M-E, like the video, make sure you're subscribed. I'm gonna check, and in the next video, I'm going to raffle off, give away, pick at random this hat. I'm gonna send it to somebody. I'll send it to you. You don't have to worry about shipping or anything. If you want the hat, drop a comment, just put M-E. That is the keyword, the code word. I'll just give a giveaway since I'm not gonna wear this, so I'd rather give it to one of you guys that actually want it. So again, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop in the comments ME, and you'll be entered. I'll pick the winner in next week's video. A little runway one more time. Grizzly, got the side, got the little Grizzly in the back. So yeah, if you guys want this hat, make sure you do all that. I'm gonna pick a winner in the next video, like I said. Guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for joining me on the second Threadbeast unboxing. Again, if you're new to the channel, thank you guys for stopping by. My name is Fernando. I'm a part-time reseller, and I sell things on the internet. To make videos on how to not get scammed on OfferUp, Facebook, all the stuff like that. So if you want to check out those videos, I got those in my channel as well. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm going to start posting more, giving more updates. If you have any questions about anything about am I getting scammed, or if you have any questions about whatever, please DM me. I will get to you eventually. Yeah guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I will see you on the next one.
2020, all the cash, yeah, got my dollars up, I'm on 50 racks, oh yeah,